Oh, my lips are so uneven right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics Halloween Collection. This is the look that I created. So as always, I want to start off by talking about the packaging. This is the PR box that I received. Once again, they just like absolutely crushed it with the packaging. Like her design team is so bomb. It's killer. Like it's very, very cool. It goes with like the color scheme and everything just goes with the whole collection. The eyeshadow palette, look at the inside of this with the skulls. That's so cool. I really like it a lot. Just before we even get into the tutorial and I talk about the products, packaging, always bomb. All right guys, so you know the deal. I'm going to be showing you all of the eyeshadows. I pretty much used I used all of the eyeshadows on my eyes except for one. I give you swatches of all of the lip products. I guess that's it. All right guys, so if you want to see how I created this look and also what I think of all of these products, keep watching. Okay, so I have my base on. I did bronzer, all that stuff, brows. I do have primer on my lids. I just used a little bit of the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and translucent powder, the Too Faced one. Since I have the rest of my face makeup on, I'm going to bake. I mean, I have like a full coverage situation going on here, so typically I would just do my eyes first. I just didn't want this video to take forever, you know? So I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty Pound Cake and basically just hit all the areas that like are subject to fallout. And I'm gonna be applying this with my Sigma, I just call it my wedge sponge. No idea what it's actually called. So we've got some like kind of mattes. I think these two right here are matte, and then this one is kind of like, it's got a little bit of reflect in it. Maybe it's a satin, but I swatched it and it pretty much works as a matte. I actually kind of like this color. So I think I'm gonna start off with this shade right here in the crease. And I'm using my Morphe M521 brush, just a big fluffy brush. So I'm kind of like insta-glamming my brows again, defining them a little bit more than I was. They were getting like really natural, and I think like when I do a more dramatic makeup look, this just looks so much better, but let me know what you guys think. You know, when I first looked at that in the pan, I thought that it was going to be like way too cool toned, way too gray and very unflattering, but I'm actually kind of liking the tone of it. All right, now on my Morphe R39 brush, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here and focus that a little bit more in the crease. The pigment of the shadows, I feel isn't showing up as well on me right now because I went in with kind of a lot of translucent powder when I set my concealer on my lids, which can be really good for blending, but sometimes it can kind of like mute the payoff. Because when I swatched these, they were definitely super pigmented. So it's making it very, very soft, as you can see, which is a trick if you have a hard time blending, but you may have to like go in and apply more product than you thought. But it's much better to start off with like a small amount than go in with way too much and have it end up looking like patchy. I actually like that color combo. The like cool tone kind of worked as a contour a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna use my Morphe Y19 brush and I'm gonna go into this green shade right here. I'm gonna focus that on the tip of the brush and start building it up. I really wish I'd used a different primer because I'm having such a hard time with these shadows actually like showing up on my lids. I'm really disappointed. I wish I'd just gone with my e.l.f. primer. Okay, I'm just like really disappointed with how that's looking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dust this stuff off my face and I'm going to set my face just to kind of like tone down the powdery effect that happened with the translucent powder on my lids. And then I'm gonna go back in once it's all dry, of course, and try to build those colors up. I am going to grab the center shade right here. This is called Best Witches, and I'm going to pack this on the outer and inner corner of the lid. So I'm gonna pick that up on my Sigma E54 brush. I'm gonna spritz that with some setting spray. I like really screwed this up with all that powder on my lids. That is a really cool shadow. Kind of like a darker version of the Desi Katy Dirty Money. Definitely got a lot of fallout with that shadow. Okay, so for the center of the lid, I'm going to try Witch and Famous. This is the glitter eyes. This is like the coppery orange one. And then I might go over top of it with a shadow. I just kind of want to like try this and see how it looks on the lid. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go in with Hello Gorgeous. I'm just gonna kind of like pat around the edges and just blend it into those two shadows. It's kind of hard to blend. Like once you put it down, you gotta blend it. Otherwise it sets. It's pretty fucking intense though, man. Damn, man, that is fucking sick. Okay, I never like liquid glitter eyeshadows. Never, ever, ever do I like them. These are pretty fucking bomb. Like it's very pigmented. You definitely have to start like blending it out immediately because it sets pretty quick, but you can also like build it up and it doesn't remove the product. And like now it's dried. So I can like open and close my eyes, but you have that crazy foil effect without getting transfer. This is amazing. I was thinking I was going to like not be into it and just cover it up with a shadow. I kind of want to like add this on the outer part. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just put it on the inner and outer part and then kind of blend it into that like dark khaki. That is such a bomb product. I really, really like that a lot. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of that dark khaki and just kind of like deepen it up on the outer part. All right, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna start off with that light brown shade and just buff that pretty much like all under my eye bag. I'm gonna pick up that like kind of light army green, focus that a little closer to the lash line. Okay, so for the inner part of the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna grab this shade and then I might throw down this orange a little bit. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna take that orange and I'm just gonna pop a tiny little bit right there. So we're just gonna give like a little bit of a saturated pop because we already have that warmth from the first like, warm shadow, but I don't wanna disturb that like army green. And then I wanna tie in the gold on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna grab this like yellowy gold shade from the palette and I'm gonna pop it like, it's not gonna be my inner corner highlight because I wanna use the highlight for that, but I'm gonna pop it like right in front of that green. I don't even know if that, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. I kind of wish I could get the deep colors to be a little darker. I just don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna grab this purple, this dark purple shade, and I'm gonna take it on a small brush and I'm just going to use it to deepen up like the very outer part of the crease. And this is my Morphe M507 brush. I kind of wish I had a slightly darker, more matte shade. Okay, for the sake of the look and just because it happens to be sitting right in front of me, I'm gonna just like planes and then like dudes walking around and opening up gates. I'm gonna grab the Maybelline Night Sky. It's just a single black shadow and deepen up the very outer corner. I don't want to get rid of that purple, but I just want to deepen it up a little bit more. The fallout on my face is insane. Okay, what blush does a person wear with this makeup look? I'm gonna use this Melt blush. This is Honey Thief. All right, I'm super excited about this highlight. I just don't know how this is all gonna go. So this is the Go Ghost highlight. There've been a few of these highlights that have come out, this kind of thing, and I haven't been like a huge fan, but I swatched it and I feel like it's not gonna be like unflattering. I have a feeling it's only going to be flattering on like fair skin though. Oh, it looks pretty gold. When I turn, I can kind of see the green reflect. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. I don't know, you guys be the judge. You let me know what you think of that. Would you wear this? Is it just a Halloween thing? It's basically just green on the end of my nose. I don't know if that was such a good idea. That wasn't a good idea. Okay, inner corner and brow bone highlight for the win. Like that looks so sick. It really ties everything in. I really, really like that a lot. I'm a little bit upset that I've lost a lot of the greens, so I'm actually just gonna pop this liner in my waterline really quickly. This is from Flower Beauty. This is in the shade Serpent. Okay, so I just went in with some mascara and then applied the House of Lashes Allura Light Lashes. I want to give you all of the lip options, so I'm going to be starting off with the gloss. This is like a pretty iridescent gloss. It's got kind of a warm pink almost, or coppery pink, and then like a gold green reflect to it. So I just went in with MAC Strip Down Lip Liner, and now I'm going to be going in with the gloss. This is called Handsome Devil. Oh my god, she's killing it with these glosses, man. They smell like frosting too. All right, so this is the gloss on. I love Kylie's glosses. Like they are just an amazing formula. They're so comfortable and light. So what do you guys think of this lip with this eye? It's not what I would choose, but I think the gloss is pretty cool. The shimmer from that gloss really wants to stay. All right, so next I'm gonna be using the nude lipstick. This is Creep It Real. Oh, I love her matte lipsticks. Like I really, really love them. They're so lightweight and kind of moussey. All right, and now I'm going to go in with Haunt It. This is the metallic orange lipstick. I know a lot of people really wanted to see this one. Well, first of all, I think it looks crazy with these eyes. Like they're way too much for this lipstick in my personal opinion, and also the shirt, but it's a really cool orange. The only problem with orange lipstick is that it makes your teeth look really yellow. Okay, the next lipstick I'm gonna use is Spider Bite. This is like a matte deep shade. Wow, I really wish that I had gone in with that one last because I think that's the winner. Her matte formulas are just so freaking nice. They're like very lightweight, not drying, like hydrating, but they look matte on the lips. All right, now the last lipstick is Monster. This is also metallic. All right, and this is Monster. Monster's sick. I really like it. It's like a really cool army green. Let's go through a recap of all of the products. So the lip products are sick. I love all the lipsticks. The metallics are nice because they're kind of like a matte metallic. I'm loving her matte lipstick formula, like absolutely loving it. The lipsticks are a nice weight as well. They feel like they're weighted, so they feel like a good quality even though they're plastic. If I were a consumer, I probably wouldn't get the orange just because like it tends to make my lips look kind of yellow. I mean, I think Monster is really sick. Like Monster is really cool, but it depends. I mean, you have to be a special kind of person to rock like army green lips, you know what I mean? Creep It Real, such a beautiful nude. Absolutely love it. I think this is probably going to be like a new day-to-day lipstick. Spider Bite is stunning. Stunning. I love it. Sometimes like when you have a more lightweight matte lipstick, you don't get great payoff, but this gave perfect payoff. They feel like moussey on the lips. If you're looking for something that you're gonna wear regularly, Spider Bite and Creep It Real. The gloss is stunning. Again, it's got like, I mean, it's beautiful. It's got that, it's very, very, very metallic, very reflective. The formula is perfect. Like her glosses are bomb. I really do like them. I think this is really gorgeous with more of like a neutral eye because it's kind of a statement without being like way, it's not a bold lip, in other words. You know what I mean? It's a statement lip without being like bright red. I am blown away by the glitter eyes. Amazing, fantastic. I can't believe the formula. It's kind of like if you took a shadow and you add Fix Plus to it so you can really make it foiled, but it's already like that and then it just kind of like dries down and it doesn't move. The highlighter formulas are amazing. They're fantastic. This color, it's not something that I'm gonna use really, you know, like I think it's really cool for like a pop in the inner corner or the brow bone, but it's definitely not something that's super flattering. I mean, you can probably see like what's happening on my nose here. I don't know if you can or not, but if I turn, you can like see that green reflect and it's not cute. So definitely the center of my face, big mistake. You can kind of see a little bit of the cast when I turn my face, like it looks a little bit chalky and I'm very fair right now. So I don't think that I would really like recommend the highlighter unless you're like specifically wearing it for Halloween. The shadow palette is bomb. I love all of the colors that they choose. Kylie Cosmetics does a really good job of choosing different color combos. When you first look at this, you're like, oh, I don't know if all of that's gonna go, but there are so many different like color combinations that you can pick out of here. But I used almost all of the colors on my eyes and I love the way it turned out. Like, I think it looks really beautiful. So they have a really great way of combining maybe bold or unexpected colors, but they all work well together when you blend them. So I did get fallout with these shadows, particularly the foiled one. I have a bunch of fallout on my nose. We're just ignoring that. So just make sure that if you do use any of these shadows that you are doing your eyes first. That's what I would do. That's the best way to do it. Even when you bake, you risk like getting it, you know, like little pieces of specks flying in other areas and getting like over here. Or I always have a hard time with like my nose and then like right here. So, oh fuck, I didn't do this. I just realized that I didn't put the last lipstick on. I totally forgot about it. It's over here. I'm gonna do that right now. Goodbye, green lip. And my lips are going to be sore after this. Ugh, this primer that I used is trash. Just a warning, you guys, this primer right here, trash, absolute trash. Okay, please try to ignore whatever is happening on my upper lip. I really hate that primer. I'm going to be using the Kylie Bite Me Lip Liner, and then this is the Bite Me Liquid Lipstick. So this is the lip kit that comes in the collection. Her lip liners are very creamy. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Bite Me Liquid Lipstick. I'm gonna do another coat of that. Okay, here's the thing about the liquid lipstick. I like the color of it, but when I first put it down, like the first pass, it didn't really have as much payoff as I wanted it to. Like it was a little bit liquidy and it just didn't have enough pigment, I guess. And then I tried to go back over with another coat and it was kind of hard to blend. And it feels really dry on my lips right now. So the color is really pretty, like it looks nice. That's all wrong tooth. Yeah, so I'm not like the biggest fan of that liquid lipstick. I'm probably gonna take this off and put something else on. All right, I quickly just wanted to swatch a couple of the shadows that I did not use for you guys. I pretty much used all of them. Here's the one shadow that I didn't use. I used all of them except this one right here, which is kind of similar to Dirty Money from Desi Katie Dose of Colors. And then I also swatched the purple for you since I only really use that to deepen it up. The orange is bomb. You can see the like payoff that the swatches have. It's amazing. So like this color, for example, the brown, like there's a really nice payoff there, you know? So I had a hard time building it up because of that translucent powder. I just put way too much on. I'm a big fan of the shadow palette, and if you like these colors, I definitely recommend it. So overall, I think this is a really cool Halloween collection. The packaging is bomb. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments down below, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.